So, just shortly, hints and tricks. As I mentioned several times, use the tab key on the keyboard to autocomplete. Start typing something. If there is no other autocompletion of it, say the word was elephant and you started typing ELE and there was nothing else, no other file with that word in, then you could hit tab and it will write the rest of the word. It makes it easier to write fast. You can use control some key that refers to holding control down and pressing that key. So control A, we use it to go to the beginning of a line on the command line, and E goes to the end of the line. You can clear it with control L. As I said before, tab is autocomplete. Arrow up means you cycle through the recent commands you have given. That is very often very useful. Control R gives you a prompt to write text to search in the list of recent commands. These commands are saved in .bash.history in your $home. Alias. It's common that you have a short command you write again and again. And if it's a longer one, make a script. If it's just a short one-liner, then put it into alias. And you can see the aliases you have with alias. Like this. And I have a number of aliases, as you can see here. And you can create new ones by typing alias and what you want to call it equals, and then in apostrophes the command that you want to run. And you can do that directly on the command line, but then again it will not be persistent. So if it's something that you need to use regularly and also next time you have logged in, then you put it into your dash RC. So you would say nano, and then again the tilde is another word for your home directory, /.bashrc. You open the bashrc file. Inside you can find your aliases. If you have none, just add some. If you have some already, just add the new ones you want at the end. And it could be anything, like you can see here. Then use Control X, hold down Control and push X, and save, so you can save it. And then you need to source it, that is, run it again with source, and then the name of it. Or you can log out and log in again, because then it will also be run. And then the alias will be there, so you can, instead of typing something long, just type these short commands for it instead. Commands, the command -help might give something good. Man and the command also will often give something useful. So you can use those to get help with finding stuff. You can write clear to clear the terminal. You can write history to see recent commands you have given. If you wanted to save more than what it does, you can change the number by setting an environment variable hist size in your bashrc. And you do that with opening bashrc and putting in export hist size equals some number, which is the number of commands to save. And I think that is what I'm going to cover here. So we have just under 15 minutes left. And if you want, you could see if there is more exercises you want to see if you can finish. If there's something we want to try and run now, and I will stop the recording